Hey guys, it's Joy here and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be super fun. I actually moved into a new apartment and I need to get organized. I really feel like everything is just all over the place, even though I'm in a similar apartment and I'm still in Philly. Just moving everything made everything feel just like I don't know where anything is. So in today's video, we are going to be tackling my bathroom and trying to get everything organized into acrylic bins with labels, and I'm going to be doing all of that with my Cricut machine. And this video is in partnership with Cricut, and I was super excited because this project was so fun to do. If you're new to Cricut, just know that Cricut is a smart cutting machine and it allows you to make tons of personalized projects with hundreds of different materials like vinyl or leather. The Cricut machine actually connects to their software called Design Space, where you can find so many different templates, fonts, and cool projects that you can customize on your own. And Design Space is free. Once you create your design in Design Space, all you have to do is cut out your project. So without further ado, let's get into this really fun DIY project. Let me know in the comments down below what area of your home you are ready to get organized so you can stay inspired throughout this video and do a project on your own after this. So this is what all of my beauty products look like when I finally unpacked. I basically just shoved everything into bins and I want them to be more organized so I can find everything easily. So the first step I took was actually just emptying all of the bins so I can start grouping things into categories like my shampoos, conditioners, my hair oils, my hair tools, also my body products and my nail products. So this bin that I just pulled down had a ton of different hair and body products in it, so I'm just organizing that. Once I got all the products out, I wanted to wipe clean all of the bins. They are acrylic, so you can definitely see when there's fingerprints or different products that have spilled on the bottom. So I wanted them to be super fresh so that the project does look really clean. So this is all the products out of the bins, and now it's time to get started with my Cricut project. So before I even went to my Cricut, I made a little checklist of all of the labels I wanted to make before I hopped on the Cricut Design Space software. And Cricut Design Space is super easy to use. All I did was start a custom project where I basically just threw in some rectangles and typed in all of the labels that I needed within those rectangles, just so everything could be super straight and aligned. Doing this was super easy and didn't take that much time at all. And my favorite part is opening up the Cricut and getting it ready to cut. So I loaded up vinyl. This is the removable vinyl, which is perfect for label making. And I loaded it into my Cricut. And all I had to do was basically press the blinking button to start cutting, and it was super easy. So this is what it looks like when it is cutting out all of your labels. I actually love watching the labels come out. And then I basically just used a paper cutter to go ahead and cut out all of my labels so that it's super easy to apply to my acrylic bins. So this is just me cutting those out. This part is super addicting. It's when you do your final touches before you apply it to the bins. And I always wondered how people actually attach these to their projects, and it's just transfer paper. So this was probably my favorite part because I had no idea that this was the secret behind getting those super professional, like right out of the store type projects. This is me applying the final label to the bin. I made sure the surface was really clean, and this is the finished project. So 1 bin down and 6 more to go. Now I'm back in the bathroom with my finished bins, and now it's time to reload all of my products in, but making sure it's organized. These bins had 2 sections, so I actually added 2 product names to my labels so that one could represent each section. So this is the finished product. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I feel way more organized and know where everything is, and I'm just so happy with everything. I am so happy with how this project turned out. I actually feel way more organized and I know where everything is. And also what I love about these labels is I actually use the removable vinyl labels. So if something changes, I can remove them, make a new label, and then I am good. I actually have the Cricut Explore 3 if you're interested in getting the same exact machine that I use, but there's so many different things you can explore on their website. So go check out the link in the description box. Once again, let me know in the comments down below one area in your home or apartment that you want to get organized this spring, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.